Meet the caracal, nature's stealthy acrobat. With tufted black ears and piercing eyes, this wild cat moves like a shadow through the African savanna. Don't be fooled by its graceful steps. The caracal is a master hunter, capable of leaping over 3 meters in the air to snatch birds mid-flight. Agile, powerful, and elusive, it hunts alone, mostly at night, using silence as its deadliest weapon. Despite its elegance, this is a true predator, built for speed, stealth, and precision. Some even call it the ghost of the grasslands. Size up to 83 to 123 centimeters long. Weight between 9.5 to 23 kilograms of pure muscle and instinct. This is the caracal, wild, rare, and incredible.